Hi everyone, I'm Sam with Griot's Garage, and this is glass cleaning clay. Glass cleaning clay is formulated specifically for removing embedded contaminants from all glass surfaces. It's safe for all of your exterior glass. It does a great job at removing fresh water spots or prepping the surface for glass polish or glass sealant. This car behind us got hit with some rogue sprinklers a couple days ago, and we've got some fresh water spots on the side glass. The rear has some harder water spots that we're going to attempt to remove via polishing later on. We'll go ahead and pull the glass clay out of the jar here. We give you a pretty good size 3.5 ounce chunk, so you can use this piece all at once, or you can break it in half and use a smaller chunk. We'll knead it into a flat shape. The process for glass cleaning clay is literally identical to paint cleaning clay. Although glass may not pick up as many contaminants as your paint will, it will still take on contaminants. Go ahead and soak it with Speed Shine. We've got the optional gloves here. I'm going to go ahead and put them on to keep the clay from sticking to my hands. Won't hurt your skin at all, but it does make it a little harder to clean up at the end if it gets stuck to your fingers, so go ahead and wear the gloves there. I like to spray a little bit of Speed Shine on the clay as well. And then we'll go across the surface in a crosshatch pattern. This glass has already been cleaned, so there's no issues with residual dirt. One direction, little to no pressure, short passes, and then switch and go the opposite direction. If the clay begins to stick or grab, simply add more lubrication. And I can see here on the bar, I am picking up a decent amount of contaminant. You can see the darkness around the edges, all that contaminant that we're picking up. Go over it one more time. I like to do at least 2 to 3 passes. If you're still feeling contaminant after that, repeat as necessary until the surface is completely smooth. And this will guarantee that your polishing is as effective and efficient as possible, and it'll also give you better results when you apply products like our glass sealant. It's going to allow those products to last longer and perform better because there's no impurities affecting the performance. Get this little quarter window here. Picking up a little more, but still not too much in there, so I should be fine using this side to continue. And then as we move on to another surface, I'll go ahead and fold the clay into itself to create a fresh, clean surface there. And then we'll dry it up with our PFM towel. Glass clay is a slightly higher density than paint clay, so that it doesn't break off in chips or cracks. And since glass is a harder surface, it requires a slightly more aggressive application to remove that contaminant as well as any fresh water spots. Water spots that have etched into the surface will require polishing to get out. The water spots that we had on here were only a couple days old, so you still had that mineral deposit sitting on the surface that hadn't yet etched into the glass yet, so we were able to remove them with a quick application of glass cleaning clay. Thanks to glass cleaning clay, this window is now crystal clear and ready for a fresh application of glass sealant. Thank you so much for watching. For more information on glass cleaning clay, visit griotsgarage.com, and as always, have fun in your garage.